Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 15 of my UCS Millennium Falcon build. So last time got started on one of the side sections at the front of the ship. So let's continue. Now this is similar to what was done on the back end there for the connection pieces. These two long blue pins. That goes there, and then we put another brick on there, like so. And then we got these hinge pieces. They have them black for the one side and gray for the other, just to not mix them up, because I'm sure it would be easy to mix them up if not. And 3 or 4 of those. And we have this guy up here. Oh well, we have to put this here and that on top. I think that's that. And then we have another one of these builds, and that goes like that. And that is supposed to stick in here. Okay, that's down, okay. And then this is clipped in here. So hopefully that stays in there. There we go. That is that one, and I think I got everything there. Now we put some axles. Oh yeah, it's even got like the same kind of design there. We're gonna put the red beams will hook them together. Oh, we need these, I guess. Hold stuff down back here. And then this plate up here. And we have 2 of the axle pin, or 1 axle pin over here. And now let's get the, oh, I forgot. We need the blue pin in there first. And that'll hook that together so it doesn't try to pull apart. And we have, oh, and then we're just kind of putting a brick on the end here. Okay, so now we have another big section, it looks like. Put those on. Let's get that in there, and then it's 2. And together. Okay, that's that. Okay, this is interesting. Got some red axles here. And that's what all these are for. That goes here. And then we're hooking 2 of these guys together. 2 of the angled, 90-degree angled beam connectors, or axle connectors. Right like that. And then we have another long beam here, and that's going to go on this end. Okay, some long blue pins there. And then another long beam on the other side to hold that together. Okay. Flip it over. Those 3 go there. Flip it back. Some more beams in here, and that's supposed to go on this side. Like that. Okay, and now we have some tiles, a grill, some clips. And that goes there, and then this is like there, and a jumper. Okay, I think that's everything there. Have two of these guys, the faucets, taps, and we have the light gray tile, and now a bar that goes up here. Seems kind of arbitrary. We have the 4 axle pins that go into those axle connectors. Okay, and there's a plate over here. Okay, I think we got that. Now what? We have this guy, and now we're making the angle piece here. So this is on this end. This is supposed to be this way and face up. And I am connecting what to what here? Oh, it goes like this. So this is going to be like that. And then those two are going like that. Okay. Now I need, okay, so this is interesting. We put in 6 stud pins here. There they go. And we have clips on the top here along with a tile. Those go there, and then another grill. And that's like that, and then the bar. Clips on there, and then that snaps on over here. Hold that together. Okay. Now what? We've got to take 2 of these, put those together. And we have a bunch of these guys. Got 8 of these. They're studs with the hole in them. I think that's supposed to, no, or maybe, no, it looks like the studs with the hole in them. I'm going to guess that that's what those are. And then we have a couple of these curved tiles. One by tile and this red, trans red circular tile, and that actually goes on the front here, like that. And then we have a jumper with this round tile with the hole in it, and that actually goes in this space here. Okay. I think we got everything there. Now we gotta put this on the ship. Okay, this is gonna be a fun time. So it goes on, it's going on this side, or no, it goes on that side. Okay. So it goes on this side. Okay, so this is, yeah, these go facing up. there on the inside, and I believe, yeah, they're hooking to these beams over here. And then that is hooking to the hinges over here. So we got the hinges, got them over here. And then I gotta hook these into these beams over here. Okay, get those in. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now it's really coming together. Now it's time to get the other side going. Okay. Let's just get that started. Put that there. Then this kind of weird pieces to make. We got that. We have a stud, a plate, 1x4. Then that goes on top. This is like the very front now that you know what it is. That goes there. There we got a cheese slope. And then that hooks in like that. Okay. That pops on over here. And we have the two tan plates like that. Okay, and then we have these long ones go on here. So this side is a little bit different because I am taking that, taking two more of these long plates. I need a 1x3 over here. Then this single dark gray brick over here with a last 1x3, 2x3 like that. Oh, it's supposed to be right. Oh, I see. This is actually supposed to be further down. Didn't notice that. Okay. That's what it's like. And then we have the, oh, I see. This was an extra long brick. That's why the numbers were like, well, this doesn't add up. We have this plate over here. I'm gonna put that there. A jumper, a big jumper instead. 2x2 jumper. Clips. We have the 4 clips. Spread them out a little bit. The jumper. 2x3. Clips going on again. And another jumper. And a grill. Okay, I think I got everything there. Okay, we're doing the same thing with the bars and the binoculars. And this time it faces this way. Oh, there's supposed to be one on each side. Okay, this is a little different. One on each side like that. And then that goes here. So it just go over top like that. Okay, and then we have the two 1x3s again over here. Tiles. This plate goes here, and then we have a clip that goes this way. The single cone on the eyelet piece bar, a grill, a jumper, and the eyelet, the cone. Okay, now over here is a tile and a sloped grill, but it's the dark gray sloped grill. And that is in there. Do I have everything? It's hard to tell. I think so. I think everything's in there. Now I have this bar goes here. We have a grill, another bar on the other side though, but it makes a continuous bar there. And we have this hinge piece in there. That's all the pieces there, and fun. Okay, so we have 2 of these, it says. Plate, we have that hinge piece. Okay, and then we have the 2x3s there, or 3x3s, and then two 2x3s and 1 tan plate there. And then we're gonna make 2 of, oh, it's the last 2 of these on this side anyway. Make one that goes this way. Make one that goes this way. And where do they go? I'm gonna put this hinge piece, or this piece on here. This goes on this side. We have a telephone there. And a clip that goes that way. Then on the other side we have this, and that's pretty much all for that. There's the dome. Goes in there. Now we have a clip and handlebars, dark gray handlebars, go like angled in there. They go like that. Okay. There's a dark gray slope, or curved slope, or just slope. It goes here on one of these tiles, and a clip facing the right way, I hope. And then we have, oh yeah, that's the right way because this goes on there. Got the fuel tank. Another one of these bars here. And we got jumpers. Up to there. Oops, that's not the jumper. That plate. Okay. And then we have this guy. Okay. That. And there's 2 more cheese slopes here. This goes on the top. I'm just going by building the first one. And like so. Is there one more somewhere? Oh, there it is. Okay, and then that goes in there. Okay, so that's been part 15 of my UCS Millennium Falcon build. Got the first side of the front there, that big triangular piece on the front, put on that side on the left side, and now we're partway through the other side. So if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.